So in this video we are going to learn the new method which is Simpson one-third rule. Okay. So here we are taking the same problem so that we can understand the variation of the answers, how much it is accurate or how much it is closer to the exact value. Okay. So in this type of method in numerical integration we will be getting the approximate value, not the exact value. Now in this method there is a kind of a restriction for the Simpson one-third rule, which is nothing but we have to take the interval which is nothing but n as the multiple of 2. This is very important. In one-third rule, Simpson one-third, n should be multiple of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, like that so on. If they mention it in the question as in given here, n is equal to 6, then you can directly take it as 6. Otherwise, you can take n by d as 2, 4, 6, 8, anything is fine. Okay. So we'll start with the problem. Before that, you have to understand the formula first. So formula is given by I is equal to, which is the definite integral we are going to find, is equal to 1/3. So it will be 1 h by 3 into first value plus the last value yn. So formula will have 2 times of multiples of 2 terms, that is y2, y4, y6 and so on till the last second term, because the last term is included here. So the terms won't be repeating. This is the important thing, that terms won't be repeating. Then 4 into the rest all terms, whatever the remaining terms, y1, y3, y2 I cannot take because it is already there, y4 I cannot take, so y5 I can take, and so on till the last second term. Last term is already there, that's why last second term. So this is a formula for Simpson one-third rule. So 2 into multiples of 2 terms, 4 into rest all terms. First term and second last term, it's already there. All the formulas will have this first term and last term first. Okay. So 1/3. So remember 1 by 3 of h. H we have to find because we have to form the table. So what is h? So comparing with this one, a b y dx. Y is nothing but the function of x. That means in the given question y is nothing but e power x. Okay, so what is a? Compare lower limit, which is 0, and b is upper limit. H value is nothing but b minus a by n. N is nothing but the interval which is given in the question. So b is 1.2 minus 0 divided by 6, which is equal to 0.2. So h value is 0.2. So how to form the table? This is quite important. So x and y terms you have to consider. You can form it column wise or row wise, anything is fine. 2 columns or 2 columns. Here I have considered the column. So the first column will have x values and second column will have y values, which is nothing but the function of x, which is given as what? E power x. Now here the first value is nothing but 0, last value is 1.2. How we understood that? See, interval 0 to 1.2 they have given, right? So a lower limit to upper limit I have to go. That means from 0 to 1.2 I have to go based on the h value. H is nothing but the width. Okay, that's why we have to find h value. H is nothing but the width, which we got it as what? 0.2. So from 0 I'll start and add 0.2 to get to this next step. Then keep on adding 0.2 till you reach 1.2. This is the criteria. Okay. So like that, keep on adding, we will arrive at to 1.6. Then y is nothing but a function of x. We have to find the corresponding value by putting in the function itself. So x value you put it here, e power 0. E power 0 is nothing but 1, which is nothing but the y0. This is very important because in the formula you have seen y0, y1, y2 like that, right? So these are the nothing but the value. So starting value will remain same for all the problems. Ending value depends upon the interval, h value. Okay. So y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. Last value is nothing but y6, which is corresponding value of x equal to 1.2. So how many terms are there? How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms are there. How many intervals are there? 6 intervals. There should be only 6 intervals since it is given in the question. And one more thing you have to understand here, the points given, how many points are there? 7. They are called as what? Ordinates in this numerical integration. Always remember they are ordinates. Ordinates basically means the points. How many points are there? 7 points. So it will be one more than the integral, right? So it will be one more than the interval. So interval is nothing but 6. If you add one more, you will get what? Ordinate, right? The formula you can remember that n plus interval plus 1 is nothing but ordinates. Ordinates means points. Okay, so sometimes they won't give you directly the interval. So don't get confused. They will say by taking 7 ordinates, by taking 9 ordinates, like that they'll say. So basically what you have to do, ordinates, if you subtract 1, you will get interval, right? You will get interval, that is nothing but n value. Or if you add interval 1, you will get ordinates. So same formula. Okay. After getting this, we have to form the equation, not equation formula. Now we have to form the formula correct order in order to get the answer, right? So h by 3 will remain as it is. First term is y0, yes we know. What is the last term? In the given question, we are in the table, we understood that last term is nothing but y6, right? Plus 2 times of, then multiples of 2. See, we had how many values? y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. So how many values are there? Totally 6 values are there, right? So totally 7 points are there, in which the multiples of 2 you can see. The y6 is there, y4 is there, y2 is there, right? The rest all terms are nothing but other values. So y2, y4, y6. But the problem is here that y6 is already included here. So you cannot write here y6. So y2 I'll write, y4 I can write, but y6 you cannot write because it is already written. So when it's written, you cannot repeat again. The question here is that what if I write 2 times of first here, then this afterwards, then I can write, right? But the thing is that formula wise, always remember you should write in this order itself. That means first term, last term, then plus 2 times of 2's multiple, plus 4 times of what? The rest all terms. What are the rest all terms? y0 over y2, y4, y6 over. Rest all term is nothing but y1 plus y3 plus y5, right? Close the bracket. This is the formula for the given question. Okay, so let us put the values. So I is equal to h. What is the value of h? 0.2. So I'm getting the value as what? I is equal to 2.3201. Okay, but exact value with the calculator or by normal method we'll get it as what? How much we are getting? 2.320. So we can say it is approximately equal only. Okay, so slightly it is difference is there. The difference might be there, point difference, some point difference will be there, but it is approximately equal. So always remember, by numerical integration method, always you will be getting some approximate value. Okay, there will be slight error or the difference will be there from the exact value. Okay,